Ever wonder why your skin doesn't quite glow the way you expect it to? Well, you're not alone. Many of us grapple with skin challenges that can make achieving that radiant, healthy glow feel like a distant dream. Black females in particular often encounter unique skincare hurdles. Hyperpigmentation, for instance, can result in uneven skin tone or dark spots, making your complexion appear less than luminous. Dryness, another common issue, can leave your skin feeling tight, rough, and looking dull. And let's not forget sensitivity, which can make your skin more susceptible to irritations, breakouts, and redness. These challenges can all impact your overall skin health and appearance, making it harder to achieve that coveted glow. But it's not all doom and gloom. Every cloud has a silver lining, and in this case, it's a skincare routine specifically tailored to combat these issues. But fear not, there's a skincare routine that can help combat these issues and bring out your skin's natural glow. Scene script. Step 1 to any great skincare routine is cleansing. Imagine diving into a crystal clear pool of freshness. That's what cleansing does to your skin. It's like hitting the reset button every single day, giving your skin a fresh start. But hold on. Before you reach out for that harsh soap bar, let's dive a bit deeper into the world of cleansing. Using a gentle, hydrating cleanser is like sending a love letter to your skin. It whispers softly, removing dirt, oil, and the day's grime without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Think of it as a delicate dance between cleanliness and hydration. It's all about balance. A harsh cleanser might leave your skin squeaky clean, but it also steals away essential oils, leaving your skin dry and vulnerable. Now let's talk about the magic of double cleansing. If you wear makeup, sunscreen, or live in a city, double cleansing in the evening is your skincare superhero. The first cleanse works to break down makeup, sunscreen, and pollutants. It's like the first wave of soldiers in a battle, taking down the big enemies. The second cleanse then comes in to gently remove any remaining impurities, leaving your skin truly clean. But why is double cleansing important, you may ask? Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas. No matter how high quality your paints are, the result won't be as beautiful as it could be. The same goes for your skin. A clean canvas is crucial for the effectiveness of the rest of your skincare routine. It allows your skin to absorb the maximum benefits from your serums, creams, and treatments. So, take the time to cleanse your skin properly. It's not just about removing grime, it's about respecting your skin's natural balance and preparing it for the products to follow. After all, your skin is your largest organ and deserves your utmost care. Remember, a clean canvas is key to the effectiveness of the rest of your skincare routine. Next, let's talk about exfoliation. Now, this is a word that tends to intimidate some people, but don't let it scare you. It's simply a method of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. Why is this important, you ask? Well, it promotes cell turnover, which is just a fancy way of saying it helps your skin renew itself. Imagine your skin as a bustling city. Dead skin cells are like old, abandoned buildings that are taking up valuable space. Exfoliation is like the demolition crew that comes in and clears those old structures out, making way for new shiny buildings, or in this case, fresh, radiant skin cells. Now, there are two main types of exfoliants: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliants are like little scrubbers that manually remove dead skin cells. Think of them as the bulldozers in our city analogy. Chemical exfoliants, on the other hand, work by dissolving the bonds between skin cells, allowing them to be easily swept away. They're like a magic potion that makes the old buildings vanish into thin air. While both types have their benefits, we generally recommend gentle chemical exfoliants for black skin. Why? Because they're less likely to cause irritation and are especially effective at evening out skin tone and texture. They can help reduce the appearance of dark spots, smooth rough patches, and give your skin that coveted glow. Look for products with ingredients like alpha hydroxy acids, or AHAs, and beta hydroxy acids, or BHAs. AHAs are water-soluble and good for dry skin, while BHAs are oil-soluble and great for oily skin and clogged pores. And remember, always follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Exfoliation might seem like an extra step in your skincare routine, but trust me, your skin will thank you for it. It's like giving your skin a fresh start, a chance to shine in all its glory. And who doesn't want that? Exfoliation, when done correctly, can be a game changer for your skin. After all that cleansing and exfoliating, your skin is ready for some hydration and moisture. Now, you might be wondering, aren't hydration and moisturizing the same thing? Well, not quite. Hydration refers to the water content within the skin, while moisturization is about retaining that water in the skin. Both are essential for healthy, glowing skin. So let's start with hydration. Hydrating products like toners or essences are designed to penetrate deep into the skin to deliver water and active ingredients. Think of your skin as a sponge. If it's dry and brittle, it's not going to do a good job absorbing what you put on it. But if it's plump and hydrated, it's ready to soak up all the good stuff. Toners and essences are typically light and watery, and they're the perfect way to hydrate your skin after cleansing and exfoliating. They replenish the skin's moisture levels and prepare it for the next steps in your skincare routine. Now, once your skin is nicely hydrated, it's time to lock in all that moisture. That's where moisturizing creams or lotions come in. These products act like a seal, preventing the water from evaporating and keeping your skin soft and supple. But moisturizers do more than just seal in hydration. They're also packed with ingredients that nourish and protect the skin. They can help maintain the skin's barrier function, which is essential for keeping out harmful bacteria and environmental stressors. And they can prevent dryness and irritation, keeping your skin comfortable and happy. So, there you have it. Hydrating and moisturizing are two crucial steps in any skincare routine. They help keep your skin hydrated, plump, and radiant, and they can make a world of difference in the look and feel of your skin. Remember, it's not just about slapping on some cream and calling it a day. It's about understanding your skin's needs and giving it the care it deserves. And with the right products and routine, you can help your skin look and feel its best. Hydrate and moisturize, and your skin will thank you. Last but certainly not least, sunscreen. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, wait, I thought sunscreen was mostly for people with light skin. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. No matter what your skin tone, sunscreen is vital for everyone's daily skincare routine. Here's why. Our skin, the largest organ of our bodies, is constantly exposed to the sun's harmful ultraviolet or UV rays. These rays can cause a range of skin damage, from premature aging to skin cancer. But there's another concern for those of us with melanin-rich skin. UV exposure can also trigger hyperpigmentation, causing dark spots and uneven skin tone. So how can we protect ourselves? The answer is simple: sunscreen. But not all sunscreens are created equal. For optimal protection, look for sunscreens with high sun protection factor, or SPF. The SPF number represents the level of protection the sunscreen provides against UVB rays, which are the main cause of sunburn and skin cancer. A high SPF, ideally 30 or higher, is key. But wait, there's more. While SPF protects against UVB rays, we also need protection from UVA rays, which penetrate deeper into the skin and contribute to premature aging and hyperpigmentation. For this, we need broad-spectrum coverage. Broad-spectrum sunscreens protect against both UVA and UVB rays, providing comprehensive sun protection. Now, if you're worried about sunscreen leaving a white cast on your skin, fear not. Many brands are now offering sunscreens that are formulated specifically for darker skin tones. These products blend seamlessly into the skin, providing invisible protection while also nourishing and moisturizing. In conclusion, never underestimate the power of sunscreen. It's your first line of defense against the sun's harmful rays, a crucial ally in the fight against hyperpigmentation, and an essential step in maintaining your skin's health and radiance. So remember to apply generously and reapply regularly, especially if you're going to be outside for extended periods. Sunscreen is your best friend when it comes to keeping your skin healthy and radiant. So, what have we learned about skincare today? We've journeyed through the maze of skincare, understanding the unique challenges Black females often face. It's clear that a routine is essential. It's the magic key to unlock that radiant glow. Firstly, cleansing is the foundation. It's the first step towards a fresher, healthier skin. It washes away the impurities, setting the stage for the rest of your skincare routine. Then comes exfoliation, the power player that sweeps away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion underneath. Hydrating and moisturizing, the dynamic duo, work in harmony to replenish and lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling supple and nourished. Finally, the unsung hero, sunscreen. It's your shield, your protector against the sun's harsh rays, safeguarding your skin from premature aging and hyperpigmentation. With this skincare routine, you're well on your way to achieving that glow you've always wanted.